teacher, math teacher sa second year na kasi si Ate Josie, I think third year, siya ako math teacher. Yan yung fourth year. And Sir Reggie knows how great I am sa mathematics. Sa iyo ako naramdaman ng unang line of 7. Yeah, pero I value the line of 7. And in fact, bisa nag-college na sa ito, usala ang subject na math na 9 the rest go to 87. 75, 77, the highest I got was 85. Statistics. Thank you so much, Sir Reg, for introducing me. And of course, for the inspiration. And you see, 75 ang grado, high school na ito pa college, 75 ang math. Pero, ano ka man na sobra? Uy, malakya pa na tayo na. Diba? Damo na akong ginsulat na trabaho, na-promote natin on. Wala yung magka-encounter ito na ito find the X, find the Y. Wala yung talaga, alam ang paglaot sana. Pero what really is imparted to you by those problems is how you are able to resolve ang situation, real-life situation. Kasi math is very complicated and so is life. Diba? There's no one perfect solution sa problema sa kinabuhi. There are a lot. And before I proceed, magkaklatang aray sa iyo. Congratulations, graduate! I was asked to provide inspirational message. So let's see. Let's see kung I can live with that expectation. Sa principal, kan Ma'am Rona, hello, good afternoon, Ma'am. Thank you for inviting me to parents. Maupay nga mulog sa inyong matanan. Ako si Jeffrey Riobang Nasumaya, graduate sa Bagubay National High School, batch 2013 and 2015. I forgot, mas 11 years ago nag-graduate actually, and I'm happy to be back right now. Well, I have come up with something and hopefully this is inspiring enough. And there's nothing more inspiring graduating ka man, may trabaho ka man, na-extra ka man, konsehal ka man sa barangay. There's nothing more inspiring than money. Kwarta nagpapa-inspire sa atin at meritor na kwarta ang usa sa pili na ang opening inspiration. And I, as a financial wealth planner, I know how important money is. A lot of money ang kinahanglan natin. I am now earning an average monthly income of 80,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos per month. Sit at the house, danay pagkapi naman, danay makao naman ng mga restaurant. I earn those. Managing 2 jobs. Trabaho sa gabi, trabaho sa aga. There's very little room for interest. Imagine, 80,000 a month average or give or take 20,000 pesos every week kasi every week ang nakon sa akong nasunod. No loans, walang utang. That means me being able to buy anything that I need and want. Eat anything my mouth desires. Buy new clothes, wear comfortable shoes, wear nice watch, wear best fitting na cinturón. Basically, just enjoying life. Kasi may extent kanina, there's nothing more motivational than pera. And I can attest to that. Really. I can attest to that. Some of you might be philosophical enough na sumirin na money cannot buy joy. Hindi ka talaga makakapalit joy. Kung wala may marka. Pero kung may marka ka, mapalit ka talaga. But you see, it was never always like this. Diri, sunod-sunod permanente, previously na akong ginabuhi. Kasi 10 years ago, or 11 years ago, sa high school activist sa Mabubay, there was no 6 digits income a month. Maray 80,000, maray 60,000, o not even 100,000, maray isa na. There was only 20 per day. Gis, basahin balikan, sinitpan Mabubay, Gis, palit pagkaon surat at atigen. So it was never always like this. 7 years ago naman, sa college ka, and this is something that I hope you can relate kasi magka-college ka mo. That's the most ideal thing na pwede nyo mo on after this. 7 years ago, upon entering college, there was no 20,000 pesos per fee. neither 10, neither 5,000 per week. Okay, sana. Just 3,000 pesos na monthly allowance sa 4-piece. Yes, I was a 4-piece beneficiary and I was a 4-piece scholar. 4 years in college and I almost didn't have a social life. No latest phones, no trendy shoes, no eat outs, no clubbing, just the bare minimum. May eskwela, makagdumabayo, mahuli. Mga classmates ko lang, magkanda-dress lang kadali. Mga classmates ko may mga cellphone na bago. May labasan to, I don't know familiar lang sa Air Max. I don't know if it's Air Max, it's bago sa 90. Okay lang sa to sa college jogger pants, siya sa to. And neither of those, araw na for, kasi ayaw na 3,500 per month. Bare minimum na talaga. So, long story short, masaksan ko sa mga estudyante na sige lang kaira. So what I did is I was in college. Things like that, nagdadala sa eskwelahan, manicure set, pati pa nail art. Kasi maaraw na ka nail art, maaraw na ka manicure. Ako sa nagiging mo sa crew, pag ipinin na nagulay ka sa mag-manicure na nail art. Pag hindi ka na review, right na. Pag may nail art, different lang. Nagpalit talaga ako sa Shopee. Mga dots, special brushes. Hirap ba yun? Marang lang ng nail art. Gano'n kayo sa inyo. Ngayon lang, sa kanila. Isa na ako sa sideline. Pagparang lang review. Pero pag fourth year na, magkakanak. So ako pinito, yung lang ng manicure. May pinili sa among laki, may ganda po siya trending na tinawag tayo, o shampoo. Mga order at 400 pesos. Pag-abot sa espilangan, 40 lang siya. 40 lang siya. May ganda kahit ako sa baligang pinapay. Makatingin mga 500 ako, hindi lang siya nakasing. Those were the things that I did just to supplement ang kakulangan sa kwarta para lang makay sila, para lang makabuhan. But again, let me be clear, we were never included just having a bare minimum. Yan na, graduate sila ay pagkakalit na it's just going to get tougher in college. Mas magtituloy ka ito sa mga anak, kung pupri ka yan, mas magpupri ka ka. Pag nag-college yung mga anak, oo, crush ko ka na yun eh. Just be realistic. Kung pumprihan ka na, mas magpupumpri ka pag nag-college sa'yo ni Sira. Sa iyo naman yung mga graduating class, you will feel empty for just having a bare minimum. Mahirap kang sa iyong mga classmates na may mga bagong cellphone, iPhone, may mga bagong trabaho, Google. Mahirap kang sana. That did not make me any smaller. Alright. Us having the bare minimum in life, just enough to make both ends meet, may talaga silver lining. There's a silver lining po na. At nawaran po namin sa nag-ismila pa ha, kaya nagkata sa akong kusog na marusunada at study hard. At itong kakaira, that make me dream big. What I did, I dream big. Saling ko na sa ako nag-dream na ito, balang araw, hindi ko itong mapapalit na area ng gadget, pero mapalit ka, mas mahubay pa ka na. Balang araw din mapalit ka ng airlock, pero mapalit ka sa pangos. Ngayon po, even know the brand. Because you will never be able to afford it just so easily. That was my personal goal. Just to fulfill itong nga emptiness, itong nagtatawag na loneliness to have most in life that I cannot have just yet. Until sumakses. It's that nothingness as a student that define my values in life. I have two personal values in life: grit and strong work ethics. Grit is what got me here. Literally here, and literally where I am living my life now. It's that quiet fire that pushed you to wake up early, to study late, to keep going even when you were tired, discouraged. Kung dahil bisa natutunan ka na kung kaya mo ba? Grit means I didn't wait for the perfect condition. I worked with what I had and made work anyway. Let me repeat that. Grit means wala kang nagulang sa perfect condition. What you did is to take advantage of what you already have. And what you already have right now is the dream, the aspiration. Mas favorable na nga nila ang educational system. Since Senator Bacchino passed into law ang Free Tuition Act. Kasi hindi na talaga yung pag-alam. Ito talaga. Parta, it's still a problem, pero that's one less of a problem kung may free tuition sa mga public tertiary schools yan. Ito lang yung pagkakamahupay. That kind of strength is rare, and it will carry you far, not just in college or work, but in life. Totoo ko ito, grit. When you persevere sa iyong pag-eskwela sa college, given mga challenging, pero if you're able to persevere, you will persevere in life. Digress actually ay. After graduating sa Pansico 2018, nagpa-Manila na ako. When I was in Manila, nagtrabaho ko sa ito. Ang ako nagpa-partner sa University of the Philippines, Manila. Hindi ko kaya bumaba. Habang later, siguro less than even ang mga lakas ng baro ko, and you can barely, lie down sa bed. For over a year, kasi akong binisaran sa Manila. Dahil pag-alam sa akong pamilya, ang usap na namin binisaran sa Manila. Until na-promote act supervisor, I was only earning 24,000 pesos. Kaya sa nag-extra na magdadala kasi ang pansyon. Parang magdadala na matay sa ito na katulong sobra. Sobra kasubot, sobra kapasok. But I did not complain. I cannot complain. I just went through it. That grit I was telling you na kinakailan mag-eskwela college, you also need that after college. Kasi it's the toughest. It's the toughest battle you'll ever want to facing real life. 24,000. Makadala pa ako ng magbayad pa ako ng utilities. May pa life insurance, may pulutan. It's really very enough to sustain a living. Meron na makulit nila buwin. But that grit that I was telling you that I was able to master sa nag-eskwela ang family, that helped me a lot. Kasi I learned a lot. And with grit comes something just as powerful. Strong work ethics. Iyon naman para sa mga anak ang strong work ethics. Work ethic is what makes you show up when it's uncomfortable. It's finishing what you started. It's doing things, not just when someone is watching, but especially when no one is. It's giving your best even when the reward isn't instant. In other words, sa ating mga parents, kung nanyaman ka, agreement ko lang ka, 13 years na ka nagpaparaan ito sa pagpalapay sila sa iyong pagkataan. Depende pa ito kung nagpalit-palit pag-eskwela, pero kung ito rin so, Tracy na katulig, ito na pagparaan ito sa inyo. Tracy na ang gano'n yung pagparaan ito mo, may alam kong kanima, Tracy na katulig ito yung mag-iinigin mo. 4 years na lang, makakagraduate na nila natin. 4 years na lang, soon, hopefully, they will be able to give back what you've given them. 13 years nag-ilog ka, kung kaya pa natin ilumon, ano pa ng pakatuwid, sige lang, tutok lanay, nilikuan si ilo, favorable ang condition sa pamiskwela kasi libre lang tuition. Pero hindi validate na problema talaga ang kwarta. Bisan sabihin bakit na libre lang tuition, problema talaga ang kwarta. Sa recent report sa Rappler, published January 29 this year, 4 out of 10 ang mga estudyante sa college at di rin nakakadiretso pag-graduate tungkol kay problema ang kwarta. That is even may free tuition. Kasi valid na concern ang kwarta, valid na concern ang kahirapan. Legit ito siya 4 out of 10. Pero again, kung kaya pa utukan, tukan lang natin, madali na ito. Chasing dreams is difficult na pinakot may problema pinantal. If only we have the will, then at least that's one step of a problem. Pero di kita nakalantitin, may enough fun to go and drive smoothly. Kaya kung ano sa inyo, kanila ay nag-record kami ng pupubre, sa kanila ng pupubre, nagpuhuli. Lalo pa ito ang mga pupubre sa kanila ng pupubre. Magpuhuli. What you have is dreams. You just make use of it and you just have to set your vision straight to that. You see, money can open doors. Kaya kung ako may parang you shouldn't be listening to me. Kung may pagkalak sa Eskwela College, I shouldn't be here. Pero bakit ko kanta? That's why I was here. Sabi ko nga, greed is what brought me here. Money can open doors, but greed and work ethics will keep you in the room. These qualities will make people trust you, respect you, remember you, and believe in you. And it is these values of greed and strong work ethics that shaped me, and it is the silver lining that made me believe na bisan makulit pamabuhi damo mga kabataan na liningkamot pag-aral sa talong para sa ilang kabubason basta matanggal na sila sa higayon. And ako hindi ang reason why since this school year I founded a scholarship program dito sa Magubay National High School. Sa nagtigang siya sa school year, di ba ang akong scholars. And I'm happy na tuloy sa IRA, mag-graduate na. Si Kay, si Kennedy, tapos si... Alam ko pa rin kung araw na mag-graduate na. Si Katrina, mag-graduate na sila college. May dapat yung na may pipili grade 12. It doesn't end there. Kasi, as samtiana doon sa school year, natuon talaga, bisan na muli yung kinabuhi may mga kabataan talaga magpupulitin. Kasi, ano yung buhay bang po, sana, para talaga sa hindi ngayon, yung buhay, makakatapos na makakatapos. That's why, from 5 scholars, starting this school year na liarabot, 15 na po ang scholars nato sa Magubay National High School. At kuma-include ko pa 13. May gamit ako sa grade 9. Mostly grade 11 and grade 12. Pero it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. Kasi sila Katrina, si Kate, si Jerry, if they pursue college, they will be my 18 scholars sa college. Bubuligan ko to the best that I could. Hanggang kailangan, pagkaroon sa nila uniform. Wala pa kami official anak pa. So far, namun pa yung walang to understanding between the school and ako. Pero naman ko rin sa inyo na advance. And hopefully, isa din ka mong eskwela, mapuligaan sa the best that I can. Ama kami po sa iyo. And you will get kanina yung good year na kami sa 100,000 na life insurance. Siyempre, kaya mag-therapy, nag-insurance na. Maganda na sa iyo yung quarter about 10 pesos na life insurance for those na mag-18. Check mo ito ngayon kung kaya half million, and you give you half million life insurance. na mag-iisip. Pero alam mo yung Kat, 18, ikaw, 17, si Janeline, pregnant. 17, ay ikaw pa rin mga matikipan sa napilin isuran. Pagkakit mo kayo may tayo. So, that's my way of saying thank you sa among iskilahan. Hopefully, in the future, kung mag-upay pa na akong pakabuhian, from 80,000 to 100,000 per month, hopefully, mag-10 lang ito per month, I will be able to expand that service sa ibang mga iskilahan. But for now, 18 scholars starting next school year sa natin tutuligan. Pag-anak lang ako sa bahay. Pero natin kasi, it is with high honors, with genuine country. So, ano kung ano yung sobra? Diba? Before we end, let me tell you this truth. The world doesn't always favor the smartest or the richest. Malintayon, nagagawin na college, ang secret na, ang rinausa, bulong ang sama. Isang that always favor the smartest. The world doesn't favor the richest. Tugyado lang, hindi na lang something will correct now, telling you this story. What the world favors is the most consistent, most resilient, and those who are willing to work harder, longer, and with the heart. I have been there and done those things, but it has never been easy. Being poor is not a weakness. It's a kind of strength. Because when you grow up with less, you learn to fight harder. That's the silver lining. Ispriga na kam, nagkaira. Ispriga na kam, ang pag-antos ng kawalan. Ispriga na kam bisang tubig. Pero kaira ang pag-iwag kam while also dreaming. Dream with grit and strong work ethics. Because this republic needs you. Hope I can look at congratulations everyone.